top 5 stocks within the Indian financial basket which Macquarie likes. Now mind you, Indian financials is largely a consensus buy. 5 stocks which Macquarie seems to like. First, HDFC Bank. 43% upside is what Macquarie is giving it. What they are suggesting is a target price of 2075 rupees a share. They are suggesting that EPS, which is earnings per share, will go up by 25% in FY25. They've met up with some investors in Hong Kong and Singapore, and what those investors are telling them is that there will be some amount of pain in HDFC Bank in the near term, but after that the stock ought to start re-rating. That's the expectation. Second, IndusInd Bank, 28% upside is what they are giving it. 1900 rupees is the target price. They are expecting a re-rating in terms of valuation in IndusInd Bank. They believe that risk reward is largely favorable. They are expecting that to start to kick through, and the CEO change in FY25 is something they are looking out for. Bajaj Finance is the third one. 25% upside, 8100 being the target price on Bajaj Finance. They believe that this is largely being ignored by investors at this point. Investors sitting on the sidelines, willing to sit on the sidelines with regard to Bajaj Finance, but they believe that EPS will grow by 24% in FY25 for Bajaj Finance. Now, fourth one, Axis Bank. 24% upside is what they expect in Axis Bank, target price being 1300 rupees a share. They're expecting a 14% earnings compounding and of course some bit of value re-rating to happen in Axis Bank over the next 12 months or thereabouts. Last two, City Union and Bandhan Bank, they're expecting a 22 to 24% upside in these two, 15 to 16% increase in terms of EPS. In terms of what they don't like, Paytm within the fintech basket, PB Fintech, they are expecting a 44% downside on PB Fintech, 26% on Paytm, and they believe that Paytm, some pain with regard to uncertainty will continue to persist. Outside of that, they don't like PSU banks. Bob is the top downside, 29%, 180 is the target price. They are expecting EPS to shrink by 7%.